Lockdown was introduced and every shoot I had in the diary was cancelled. The camera was put in my safe and wasn't seen again for a little while.
Just before the COVID-19 lockdown, I was about to travel to Australia for the shooting of a TV adventure show. The immediate impact on all my work was a successive cancellation of all the production scheduled on the next months and weeks.
I know that there are many filmmakers that didn't work during this time, and of course, there are people that work with news, people that don't. I started working covering COVID-19 for news platforms. So I've been working with the Red Cross, and with them I was embedded and going to private houses within their missions while they were rescuing the patients. I went into the ICUs and been working with doctors, nurses, and then I was following the news as well. After every shooting, you need to sanitize every piece of your cameras, lens, cables, audio with disinfectant.
Before, we could work, produce, share face-to-face. Now, we have to all to communicate screen to screen. And it's the new way to work.
There's caution, but there's also a massive eagerness to start producing films again. I think that with the last 3-4 months of production being completely halted, there's a huge gap to fill, so we'll need to get out there and start filling it as quickly as possible. In terms of what we have to do now to shoot, things have changed dramatically. There's all the obvious elements whereby you're wearing PPE, you've got gloves on, you've got a mask on, you're staying away from people. Social distancing has huge implications for how you shoot drama and how you shoot people interacting.
We are a people industry like no other in the creative industries. The people are the lifeblood of absolutely everything that we do. And I think the ways in which people have been helping one another out is just the most heartening thing that I've seen. And I think if we can come out of this a kinder, stronger, more positive place to work, that will be a really positive legacy from everything that we've experienced through this period.
Coming out of lockdown, having lightweight, efficient equipment is really, really important. I'm having to work much more on my own now, or in much smaller teams. So having equipment that I can work with alone is really important. We've managed to get back to shooting now, which is fantastic. I think it's a slow start, but it started. And it's fantastic to get back to looking through a lens and working out how to light things and framing and composing shots.
The really interesting thing for filmmakers now is that the rule book has been ripped up. I think all those previous ways of funding commissioning will have changed. Perhaps this is a time to be bold, and perhaps there will be some wonderful things that can come out of this devastating period.